Hi everyone. In this video, I'll explain why contractors may not receive email notifications when a code has been approved and how to fix it. To begin, navigate to the Contractors tab and open the contractor record you want to review. Within the contractor details, locate the field used to send quote approval notifications. If this field contains NA, the system will not send approval emails to the contractor. To resolve the issue, either leave the field blank or enter the correct service email address or the specific email address where quote approval notifications should be sent. After saving the changes, future code approval notifications will be delivered to the configured email address. Keeping this field properly configured helps ensure contractors receive important updates as soon as their codes are approved.